Morning! This is the day of my life with Paris and EP and Ate. Every day, nag-o kami. Here, hindi pa din, kahit summer na, okay pa din ang weather dito sa Baguio. Gratis, ang ganda ng view. Trees, mga pine tree. Ang ganda po talaga. Sobrang ganda po talaga dito. Sa buhay po natin, kailangan enjoy lang po natin. A day in my life is happening every day. Kailangan i-enjoy lang natin ang buhay natin. Sarap mabuhay. Kaya every single day kung nabuhay tayo, maging masaya na po tayo palagi. Kasi sarap po ng hangin dito. Sarap ng buhay. Enjoy lang po natin lagi ang buhay natin. Enjoy lang po natin masaya. Hindi pa po ako nagsusuklay niyan, pero ang sarap po mag-walk. Salamat po Panginoon sa dakilang araw. Sa mga nag-watch po na YouTube channel ko, thank you. Thank you po. That's the day of my life for today. Thank you for watching. From EP and Paris and me. God bless everyone. Thank you, thank you. This is the Camp Chantilly. It's a beautiful day today. Thank God for everything. Thank you, Lord, for this day. God bless everyone. Have a great day ahead and happy weekend to all of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you po. That's the day of my life.